can say rem. Let's program to calculate your grade. Program to calculate your grade. So impute, put a prompt, enter your score. You can put any variable in. Like me, I normally used to put n and 30. We'll use this one now. If n is greater than or equal to 75, then take note, this if statement we are using is called a nested if statement. Go to the next line. 40. Print. What are we printing? Let's put our let's put our quotation mark. Sorry. We need to put our quotation mark. Yes, we need to put our quotation mark. So we'll put our quotation mark. Your grade is A. Let's say A, because a lot of school systems usually use A. Sorry, capital letter A. Yes, A. What if your grade is lower than 75? So we use the else if. Let's say if n is greater than or equal to 70. Yes, 70. Then the else if statement is supposed to be closed, no spacing between them. Yes. Then we are going to the next line. Print your grade is B. And 70, that's the next line. Else if, what if your grade is not up to 70? It's not greater than 70, it's below 70. Then what are we going to do? Then we'll say, I'm sorry. Greater or equal to 6. That is else if n is greater or equal to 65. Then the next line, print your grade. Your grade is. Oh, we forgot. There are some grading systems that don't just use A, B, C. Like the polytechnic, they use A, B, B, C, and the rest of them. So we are going to make a little correction. In the grading system, because it seems the grading system is not corresponding to some schools, like the school I attend. The grading system is A, B, then we have B, C. So let's change this. So we'll call here AB. Yes, AB, because we are using the polytechnic grading system, AB. So the next one will be B. Yes. So 60. Else if n is greater than or equal to 60, then what are we going to do? Okay, let's say then print print your grade is BC. Yes. So what what if your grade is below 60 but is greater than or equal to 55? It's greater than or equal to 55. That means it's between 55 and 59. 55 and 59. And then we're going to print your grade. Your grade is C. So this grading system is the one of a polytechnic. That's how polytechnic use it. Else what if your score or your score for that particular subject you are calculating is between 49 to 54, like it's between 49 to 50, sorry. It's greater than or equal to 50. That's between 50 to 54. That's it. Between 50 to 54. Yes, we are going to print your grade is CD. Yes, between 50 to 54. Yes, that's the standard for a polytechnic. 50 to 54 is CD. Then what if it's between 45 to 49? Your score is in between 45 to 49. Then you are going to have a grade. Let's say going to print your grade. Your grade is your grade will be D. Yes, your grade will be D. What if a situation where you have a score between 40 to 44, like you're in between 40 to 44? Now we don't have anything as DE in this grading system. What we have next is E. So we are going to print. Your grade is E. Sorry, E. That's your grade. That will be your grade. E. That will be your grade. Now, in a situation where you've tried your best and the course is still a stumbling block to you, then that's a situation where you're below 39, or you're below equal to or below 39. That your score in that particular subject is equal to or below 39. Then we are sorry to say that you will be having F. That means will print your score. Your grade is F. And since it's a nested if statement, we end it with end if. There's no spacing. There must be space, in between them. End if and end. So we'll run the program. To see if it's working. Yes, run the program and then start. You can use the shortcut Shift F5 and you put in score 30. You'll see that the grade is F, which is actually correct because score 30 is below 39. Now, in a situation where we want to calculate for another subject, then what do? Okay, we say impute. We put a quotation. Do you wish to try again? Like you want to calculate the grade for another subject? Yes or no? Yes or no? Then we'll put a semicolon after we've closed the bracket, the quotation, Then we'll put Y string since it will be a string. The string will be storing the data. Then we'll go to the next line will be if Y string is equal to, open a quotation mark, yes, close it. Then we are going to print Then we'll go to then go to, let's see where we are going to. We'll be going to 20. Yes, 20, line number 20. So then go to 20. Else, that if the option is not yes, sorry, we need to remove this end, or else this other program won't show. We need to remove this end. Yes, this other end. Else this other program we wrote at the ending part will not show. So we relabel the line numbers again. So this will be 220 and this will be 230. Yes. So we are going to run the program again and see if it is working. Yeah, and it's actually working. So you enter a score. Let's say 80. Yes, let's say 80. Yes, you see your grade is A. Do you wish to try again? If we enter yes, you'll see that it will say enter your score. You see, so it's actually working. You enter 4, your grade is F. Do you wish to try again? If you say no, the program ends. So any button you click will bring you to the coding area. So you see, that's how simple it is. But you see that previous works appeared. So if you want a fresh screen to appear when you're doing this, you need to put CLS at the starting at the start before you start programming. Yes, so that when you run the program, you see it starts as fresh. Enter your score. Say you enter 30. Your grade is F. You wish to try again, you say yes. You enter a score again. So if you are offering like 9 or 10 subjects, you can be doing this for the 9 different subjects you enter. So in the next video, we'll be doing how to calculate CGPA. That's what we'll be doing next. So thank you very much for watching.